What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're doing something a little different today. Come with me. We're not just powder coating. We're doing it in style. Today we're going to try and see if Witch Hazel is similar or will work the same as powder water. If so, this will definitely save you a lot of money. And we're going to go ahead and do this and try it out by mixing different colors. So let's get to it. So what we're going to start off doing today is we are going to see if Witch Hazel works the same as powder water. This will save you a bunch of money, $4 for 16 ounces. Let's go ahead and get to prepping these pieces.
Alrighty, so I'm going to make my mixture of the baby blue first. I'm going to add 3 grams of Witch Hazel. Dang.
Yeah, you might want to add like 5 grams, oops. 6 grams. Do like 10 grams, 15 grams. Let's do 15.
Nah, 16.
16. So 16 grams of Witch Hazel. 3 to 4 was definitely not enough. This is baby blue from Prismatic Powders.
Playboy blue, my bad. Look at that color, guys. That is nice. That's close. 30.99. I can't get any closer than that.
Nope.
I'm gonna do the same 16 ounces of Witch Hazel. Might as well keep it all the same.
There you go.
That's good.
There you go. Okay, so we're going to start mixing mine. Today I'm going to be using Illusion Orange and Clear Vision. $15.5, basically dead on same thing. So we're going to put right at about almost 18 grams, 17 and a half to 18 grams of Clear Vision. $17.9, that's dang right there.
Alrighty, so I'm going to mix the 2 colors. Hopefully I'm going to get the desired effect of purple come out. I've seen other people online make colors that they've wanted to make before. I'm sure somehow, somewhere we can make it work. I'm actually just going to pour a little bit on. It might be enough, might not. Let's see. It's not going to be enough. That should be enough. Seems like the brush just wants to pick it up.
Yeah.
I'm actually just use my finger. I know it's not the best idea, but that's what I'm gonna do.
But your hands are clean?
Yeah, I just washed them. There we go. That's what I wanted. I think that'll be good for now. Now for the Playboy blue, just gonna pour it on there. It's a little bubbly, I don't like that.
Well, we don't know for sure if the Witch Hazel will work. This is just something that when we bought the powder water before,
we had the idea because it had the same
type of consistency.
This blue is working a lot better for me. You can see I already mixed some right there. I think that'll be good for the test. I'm not worried about this all right here. I'm worried about the centerpiece. Look at that, purple.
Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and mix Illusion Orange and Clear Vision. The idea of this, if we put Illusion Orange down, do not gel it out, then put Clear Vision over it, are we still going to get the same effect as if we did Illusion Orange, gelled it out, and then put Clear Vision over it? Let's go ahead and see how it works. And then we'll take some clear vision and do the same thing. Let me get a little bit of drop and like put it directly on top. So instead of just mixing with it, it's also on top. Let's go ahead and let the oven finish heating up. We'll throw these in here and see how they work out. So the first ones are done. Here is the Illusion Orange and Clear Vision. As you can see, you don't get the effect you normally would when you put down the Illusion Orange, gel it out, and then put the clear coat over. But it definitely looks unique and has its own little pizzazz to it. Is it something that you would want to do on your wheels? Maybe, maybe not, but it's just an idea, and that's why we're testing these out for you. Now let's see how Jeremy's turned out.
It came out purple, not exactly how I want it. If I could have more control by how I'm laying it and layering it, I'm sure I can make it a really good purple fade. We might have to find some ways to do that. I like how this turned out. You can see purple. You can even see it right here where I got a little bit of red and mixed it right there. And I'm gonna touch it just to feel it. Feels normal like regular powder coat. These bubbles that you might see.
Could be because we had too much Witch Hazel, or powder water may not be Witch Hazel.
My blue side was not bubbling nearly as much as my red side. And I think my red side was a little bit liquidy compared to my blue one. But I like the way these came out. I like how that one came out too.
Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. We got many more testing videos to come for you. If you did like this video, make sure you smash up the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all notifications. That way you don't miss a video. If you want to get your 710 Performance merch, there's a link down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.